pals and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, lights. This is a bicycle light that I bought today. My son was recently given a new bicycle. He's outgrowing his old one. The new bicycle he's got, by coincidence, is made by a company, or it has a brand name of Venture. Now he got very excited about this because there's a video game he's quite fond of called TerraTech. I'll put a link in the description. One of the corporations in this game, TerraTech, is called Venture. It's basically a game where you build little robots and mine resources and build more little robots and so on and so forth. So he got very excited and he said, oh, we could paint this bike up in Venture colours. I thought, that's not a bad idea, we could do that, yeah, it'd be a nice project for the summer. But he also said, oh, can I have some lights, some Venture lights? Because one of the components in the game are little work lights and search lights and things. So I thought that's not a bad idea, and I was going to get some new lights for his bike anyway, so I bought these from the pound shop. Bought several of them, and I thought I would paint them up for him in the same colours that they use in the game. Now it's very simple because it's just red, white and blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up. It does need a lot of cleaning up. They're mass produced in China. They're good little lights actually, especially for the price, but they do have a lot of mould lines and things on them. So today I'm going to clean this up and paint it in Venture colours to go on his bicycle, and I thought it might be interesting for you to watch. So let's get on with it. So this is the light out of the packaging. As I say, there's some mould lines on it and bits where it's been removed from the runner and things like that. But it's a nice little light. I've just put some batteries in it just to kind of demonstrate. It is very bright. So it has 3 modes: flashes fast, flashes slow, and stays on constantly. So yeah, it's got 5 LEDs in it. They're quite crusty inside, but yeah, for £1 they're quite nice. So I'm going to clean up these mould lines, get rid of these bits. I'm going to rub it down because I can actually feel the mould release on it. They're made of quite cheap plastic. So I'm going to give it a good rub down to get rid of all the schmoo off it, and then paint it up. Right, so these are the finished components. It's had several coats of gloss varnish. So that's the main body. There's the nose, and there's the lens. So all we've got to do now is put it back together and hope it still works. Here we go. So there it is, back together. This is the Venture headlight. It's not exactly accurate to the lights in the game, but obviously it's a bicycle light. But it's got it gives the flavour of what it's supposed to be. So once we get his bike painted up, then we can put a couple of these on and add to the illusion. So I hope this has been of interest to you. It's just a little painting project. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.